Hard work.
So today we are in Independence, Missouri. This is one of our KC Property Guys flip houses and KC Pier houses. What we're doing today is we're showing you the full repair plan versus a Band-Aid. What we did, instead of giving the next buyer a headache in the future, what we did was we did a wall pushback on the back wall, which what that indicates is we dug the whole back wall out, took all the pressure off. We pushed this wall 4.5 inches. Once we got it plumb, we installed these I-beam braces here, and then we attached them up top. We waterproofed the wall, and then we backfilled with 85% gravel. The reason why we done that is one of two things. You backfill with gravel because it takes all the pressure off the wall. It acts as a crush barrier. So once we get done, we can put a lifetime warranty on this wall, and we don't have a worry of it moving in any further. And number two is, we did the full repair plan because we didn't want to give the next buyer any worries when they purchased the home. What you see over here is this wall was only in about 1 inch. So what we did here was we braced it, but as you can see, we have wall sheeting, and we ran the wall sheeting down into an interior drain and over to the sump pump. There was a little bit of signs of water on this wall, so what we went ahead and did is just took care of it. And we braced it because the wall was in about 1 inch, like I said, but we didn't want it to move any further. So that way, once we structurally get it sound, we can go ahead and finish the basement off, and the next home buyer gets everything they want. And over here is the unfinished area. The reason why we're over here is what we really wanted to show you is the sewer drain that's going outside. Up here, you can feel the embedded in the concrete where this was touching the wall before we pushed the wall out. So this is how much we recovered the foundation wall to get it plumb, which is fantastic because once you put the 2x4 studs up, you don't lose any more of that wall. So you're actually gaining more square footage in the basement, and you have a nice solid structure wall, which takes all the pressure off of your joists upstairs. So when they're doing everything upstairs, the kitchen and the bathroom, they don't have to level anything out anymore. It's already level for them. So back here is kind of the finished product. We have a little bit more grading to do, but this was fully excavated. So we put the soil back. We put brand new carbon fiber window wells in, so that way they don't corrode in the future. And then over here, what you see is you see our sump pump that's coming out of the house and running into a 4-inch drain. And then that runs into a pop-up down by the street. So what that does is all the water that is accumulating gets into the pump and then runs away from the house. What you see here is this is a 60 mil membrane. That is the waterproofing material that goes all the way down the wall and over the foundation footing. We put a adhesive on it that bonds and makes this stick, and then every seam that you see that has this black material on it, that is liquid membrane. So once we get on, each one of those are joints that we make sure that are completely sealed. So that way when we put the gravel in and we put everything on it, there's no way for water to get into it.
Hard work, work. Hard work.